My name is Kim Shin. I'm the Chief Information Officer of PUB. PUB as the National Water Agency, we take care of every drop of water in Singapore. We see generative AI as a tool that gives us huge opportunity to improve our customer delivery as well as the experience of our employee.
I'm Su Chen, an IT infra analyst at PUB. What my job scope entails is ensuring that my endpoint systems and devices are kept up to date. I'm also responsible for implementing new initiatives that are introduced by GovTech, which M365 Copilot is one of them.
The advantage of Copilot really is this seamless integration into the Microsoft Office, which our staff use. That provides a very good platform for them to use generative AI in their day-to-day work.
Me and my team actually we are in charge of the process equipment in water treatment plant in Singapore. So we have a lot of meetings, discussions. My engineers need to spend a lot of time to prepare the structure of the minutes that they need to write. After the meetings, they need to sort out all the conversation and summarizing the meeting are all done by Copilot. They just need to write down the main points of their discussion. Copilot can help them to reorganize the points. My engineers can focus on the discussion rather than the formatting of the notes.
So my areas of work involve working with partners to educate the public and their employees about water story, about water messages, and the importance of using water wisely. Sometimes I need to actually curate training materials on guided tours for my partners. And so in the past, I have to go to many different websites really to research. So now I can actually ask Copilot to do a summary based on topics. And then from there, I decide what I want to do. So that is very helpful because I can spend time training my stakeholders, making sure that they understand the content, and then see where are the areas we can improve to make our communication better with them. Helping to reduce repetitive work is most helpful to my area.
We have conducted a trial of Copilot for about 100 officers within PUB. We found that M365 Copilot has indeed improved collaboration and communication within our staff.
So one of the key challenges that we faced while we conducted the trial is that there is this mentality that officers are used to saving their files locally or within other platforms. So it did took some time. However, once our officers experience firsthand on what M365 Copilot is able to do and enhance their productivity, their mindset slowly shifted.
I guess a lot of people will think that acceptance of using AI tools is a bit more tough, but not so much from at least in my team. One tips that actually I gave my engineers when they use a Copilot is that do not treat a Copilot as a machine. Just really like a person. You speak to it just like normally would. Then you will get the result that you want.
The willingness to experiment with different prompts, having sufficient knowledge of the subject matter that you are trying to write, using Copilot. These two are very important because they may not always come back with the right answers or right information. Copilot cannot do the work for you, but it can make your work more efficient.
Moving forward, we recognize that some of the job roles are more suitable for the use of M365 Copilot. We will adopt a targeted approach whereby we roll this out to more officers whose role will benefit more from the use of Copilot.